Welcome everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, I'm fixing my ring light. Welcome everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Your Empress and Jamaica Princess. We're gonna be done, and yes, I know say your girl a bit distant from YouTube. I'm not that girl, I'm not that. I get busy more pants up busy. I have school, I'm gonna start September. Pray for me. I'm gonna have my business, and talking about business, this just added to my page. It's a zodiac necklace. I have it in gold. I'm a Sagittarius. I hope it's turned the right way. I want Sagittarius, so you can get your own zodiac necklace. It's stainless steel, so you know say you not change price, you don't have to worry about that. So you can order it on my page. The link will be in the description box below, so go and order. Very cheap, cause you know say girl have to make you slay upon a budget. Yeah, you. So go order that, and my lashes that I have on is also from my business. It's the style Sagittarius, cause once again Sagittarius. Okay, so already click the subscribe button, click the notification bell to get notified when I upload the next video, and to like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and share it to the uncle, step brother, in law, tell all of them to come over here and look on me, Empress Evie, cause you know we bring the Jamaican vibe. And let's just get on into the video. So by the tell of the time, so you can already know what we're going to discuss in this video. I'm a YouTube book, and I ask my subscribers type of things you like to know if I do in a relationship, and I got some Omega. And the first one, do I give head in a relationship? No, I do not. There, so if you keep on a seminar and say directly, no. N-O, no. Okay. Do I do threesome in my relationship? No, cause my man is my man. No. Do I please myself? Yeah, talk about the no. Do you pick random arguments with your boyfriend? Duh. If me not get my attention, you expect to make a pick one argument for you, give me attention. Do you lie about where you were or where you're going? Yes. Reason being, because sometimes I want to know where I go, and then again, sometimes I want to know where I go. So I lie sometimes I lie. But in a case, because I'm job, I know if sitting around him can't find me, or help find me, or will put in effort to find me, so I'm like tell him which farm I go. Do you ask your boyfriend if you can go out? Sometimes, but me like for ask is that show respect in a relationship. But if him say no, I'm still a go. But I'm just wanting to feel you know, like him have over me, control over me, but he don't. Do you ever cry when you don't get your own way? Cry, and I really cry like shed tears, but me vex. Like him ask him something, and him a go on and that. My boyfriend supposed to watch this and I say, stop it. No, me not cry, me just vex and pout like. Or him not get no pleasing. I'm gonna stall the pleasing until I get what I want. Do you flirt with his family member? No? Never. We don't do those stuff over here. We don't do those stuff. Oh god, not cutie. But we don't do those stuff, girl. Do you use toys in your relationship? No. We don't, because he can do his stuff, I can do my stuff. We got things going on. We don't need toys. Okay? We don't need toys. Okay? Do you accept foreplay? What foreplay? Give me a minute. May I look up what foreplay? Because I don't know what is that.
1 hour later.
But I understand. sexual activity that precedes intercourse. May I go just say it? I read the meaning, I still not understand. But let's just go with yes. Do you use fruit or sweets on your significant other, or you accept sweets? So basically the question you ask, if like, you know them somebody when I watch show, I see them use like whipped cream, fruits on them body and I've never gotten that, but I've done it. Like whipped cream, like neck, put whipped cream on the neck, do all of that. But when you know say whipped cream to me not really have this sweet taste, just for me. So that was the first time I ever did it. I always sit and want to try it, so that somebody do it to me the first time. But me, I don't want nobody do it to me because it's sticky. Like sweets are sticky for fruit. I don't know. I don't think so. Do you have a problem if a guy suck your big toe? Yes. Not for some foot cheesy, you know, cause my foot not cheesy. But foot away you use and walk on ground with a girl. That disrespectful to me if you make your man take it. That's like all time days. We have to make, you know. But no, my boyfriend have to do that. I mean I do it to him. No. Do you like planning events, or should it be should the responsible be shared? It should be shared. Like a girl, yeah, I know some love plan events and them something there. Like, I go all out for boyfriend birthday, I go all out for anniversary, them type of something there. But sometimes I don't want to be the planner. I like to be the person that gets surprised. So it can split. Like, I don't say me would have to do it for him birthday for him be the surprise. But anniversary, I think year by year, each person is supposed to be surprised. I don't know. But I think, yeah, it's a bit split. One person can take it pressure. It's a bit split. Do you listen in a relationship? Listen? I don't really listen. I like do my own thing. But then sometimes I end up turning out right. So I don't know. Are you adventurous? Meaning going out or trying new stuff, whether sexual or just taking new risk to add memories? I think we are. I think me and my boyfriend is adventurous. Last one. Do you believe in an open relationship? Open relationship, I'm going to explain this to people who know what it means. Open relationship is like me in a relationship with two guys and the two of them know, which means that the two of them know them have me. They must share me. That's an open relationship. That's what me get from having an open relationship. So, what you say? Do you believe in open relationship? For me, no, come on nobody. I want my own to myself. Because then the money I go short, you know. Look pan him. I go send no. Look pan him. If him have the two money I go get short. Or you go get what you forget, what you normally get. Money I go get short, girl. No. We don't believe in open relationships, so that's an offer. So thank you guys for watching, and like this video because I ask you, and this is what I want to give me in return to my answer on questions. So like this video and continue subscribing. I love to see my subscribers count to grow and go up the ladder, because you know say everybody has to build up everybody. I'm talking about build up everybody. Don't forget, girl, if you go down in the description box and go click the link to my business page and order yourself your zodiac sign, order it for your sister, order it for your brother, order it for your mate, order it for everybody where you know, because it's cheap, girl, so you're not lose. So run, go buy it. Support me, your Empress and Jamaica Princess, and just build up a small business owner. Want enough things that they have come. I tell you no edges brush, I tell you no tweezers, me I tell you no bonnets, me I tell you no all of the things that for making a glamorous lifestyle well lit. So just go on this one, click the link, it now kill on I'll follow. Follow girls, follow, so you don't miss nothing. And talking about don't miss nothing, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Yeah.